Hey, and welcome to my video. It's been a while since I last seen you guys, but here we are with our latest update of what's been going on around the house and our farm. So of course we just got some roof upgrades, and we actually got a deck and our roof over the deck actually done, which is pretty cool because that was a huge achievement and it's been 4 years in the making. We also got a new retaining wall. It's not finished and it will be an ongoing project, but it will help. In the next pic you'll see why. So we want to make the garden bigger, and this was the only way we were going to do it. Garden looked like before we did anything. And then we added tyres. I'll get back to the tyres. Yep, and there you go. Sort of like terrace the tyres because they are cheap. But as you can see from this pic, all of the kaikui grass, because we never treated the ground, has come through and it's made it a nightmare. So what paid for all of this? Well, the moos did. Our cowies, they were 2 years old. So we sent them off to the works, and yep, that funded for everything that we've done so far. In our summer garden is raspberries. They're actually in season at the moment. We've been getting heaps of them from our little bush of raspberries. This is the best we've ever had from this little one. Here's our courgette. It's the yellow one. I don't have any luck with the green. And I got volunteers. Here's a volunteer peach tree, one of 3. Our broccoli's starting, which is great. And here are our 2 tomato plants. So we've got Moneymaker and Sweet 100, and so we've only got one of each. And yep, there's heaps of green tomatoes on there, so I can't wait for them to actually ripen up. My cool frame is made out of a broken gazebo poles and some cable ties. So cable ties are awesome. That's the Moneymaker one. Oh, there's my spinach. And this one here is the Sweet 100. Here are my 2 cucumbers, and both of them are like Lebanese cucumbers. They are loaded, and we've already gotten about 20 cucumbers off each of them. Here are my poor cabbages that are so eaten alive. And another broccoli. But these are my favourite right now, which are the sunflowers. My neighbour and friend Tyre gave me these as seedlings, and they have started to flower, and I am so freaking happy. I'm just happy that they're flowering. And they look pretty, even though I'm not so keen on watching sunflowers move with the sun, but I am so happy to see flowers right now. So they're all starting to flower, which is awesome. And then in that last tyre is kumara. Mother-in-law puts them in, so we'll see what happens with that. And then right at the back there is our little cowies. So our little calvies, they are just sitting out there grazing away. Okay, so there's our update on what's going on around here. As you can see, it is nearly dark and it is windy as a mofo here. We have had gale force winds for most of today, so I'm not sure how some of my garden is going to survive, but this video is just to cover what we've been up to and how things have changed since the last time I posted a video, which is actually heaps of stuff has changed. Really, Nana? Like, honestly, really? Come on, out. God, the damn dog. Yeah, hey, Nana. Hi. Nana wants to say hello too. Hi. But anyway, so if you have any questions, especially the garden with tires, like honestly, if you can avoid using tires, I would. The only reason why we turned around and did it was because basically we had no money after we bought this place. So free tires. My husband borrowed a digger and a truck full of topsoil, which we got for free from his work, and hey presto, garden. As I was saying with the retaining wall, it's going to be a work in progress. Like, honestly, it's going to be a damn work in progress. But eventually there will be a huge garden. Well, I hope so. And no tires. So a huge garden out there, and I won't have to deal with tires and trying to weed tires because we're going to kill everything off and then fill in the retaining wall and make sure that it's got like weed protection and all the rest of it in it, and then make that whole top there one big garden. So yay, can't wait. But unfortunately we won't be filling any of it until this winter. If you want to stay up to date with what we're doing on our little farm / homestead, then subscribe down the bottom there and like this video. That would be fantastic. And yeah, we'll keep you up to date on what happens. Bye.